Hey guys, this is Brandon and Tim from Oki's Hot Rod Garage. We figured we'd finally get around to making a couple videos and kind of show you guys what we're working on. Here we've got my 67 Chevelle. It's been LS swapped. It's got a 4L80 in it. Still a work in progress. Been frame off restoed. Well, kind of restoed anyway. I'll show you what we got underneath the hood here. So we got a LQ960. Got a small cam in it. Nothing real fancy. Still a work in progress, still got a long ways to go. Trimmed in Viper snakeskin green with a little twist. Got tired of seeing all the red, blue, and black Chevelles, so figured I'd do something a little different. Still got a lot of work to do on the interior. It's all basically stock except for the console and the shifter there and the Holly system.
Yeah, hit us up, Paul.
Here before too long we got some more projects to do with it. So we've got one that's coming up here shortly we'll get situated and get you guys in on.
Yeah, I'm gonna be the one behind the camera making fun of you because I'm out at the moment.
Yeah, and then we got Tim here. He's a little out of commission at the moment. He had a little scooter accident. And then we also got his 68 GMC over here that we're going to start working on here before too long once he gets a little better.
Let me show you the big power plant on here.
We got massive power underneath the hood here. Got a whole lot of Flintstone power going, but that'll change soon enough, we hope.
Yeah, we haven't quite decided what we want to do with it yet, but it'll be nice whatever it is.
It's a half-ton long bed that has been shortened down. As you can see, it's got some surgery going on.
Got those hater lines. Sure we'll get a little bit for that.
There's some of the interior there, and the truck's really pretty solid altogether.
Factory big block.
The factory big block truck. Got air conditioning. It's even got a factory tack in it. I don't know that I've ever seen one with it. It's also come factory with a Dana 60 rear end.
16.5-inch wheels.
Yeah, we got 16.5-inch wheels. Well, we're pretty excited to get started on this one. So we've got a long ways to go, but we'll get there. All in due time.
Gotta do some healing first.
Yeah, we gotta get Tim back to where he can walk without crutches. Then we'll be in business. And then it's not much to look at, but that's what we're gonna be working in. Just a couple of fellers hanging out and doing what we like to do. Definitely no big money games, but it's all in fun.
Just a couple of goofballs working on the junk. We're newbies for sure.
Yeah, but we'll get it figured out, and hopefully you guys can find something that you enjoy and have fun with us.
Make fun of our goofy selves.
Take it easy.